How cool is that? Hey Noah. How you doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, you good?
Ah.
Okay. Do you want to show us what you got for Christmas? Do you want to get your new train?
I do have a new train from Christmas.
Okay, show us the new train.
There, Jesus is it.
Oh, look at that.
It's got a remote control.
Brilliant. So you've got the new Brio train with the remote control. Who was it a present from?
Jake.
It was a present from Jake. Say thank you, Jake.
Thank you, Jake.
Thank you, Jake. Cool. What else did you get for Christmas?
Some new cars.
Some new cars. Okay, cool. And what have you got there? You gonna show us your shark?
This is my new truck.
New shark.
It's so stretchy.
It's stretchy. Where did you get that?
From the aquarium and
From the London Aquarium. Sea life, which is very cool. Totally worth going to. Yeah, you also got starfish and Nemo. Are you going to go get the starfish and the Nemo?
Yeah.
Also, whilst we're here, look at this. We got merch. Noah's Room t-shirts. Link below. Where's the starfish and the Nemo? Oh, there's the Nemo. Woo! Nemo. And where's the starfish? That's a shark. Where's the starfish? There's the starfish. Fantastic. Also, you went to Hamley's and you spent some of your Christmas money on this super cool, look at this, BigJigs Shipwreck bridge.
And this.
There's a shark as well. We're liking shark. Look. No.
And there's shark ribs in it too.
There we go. Fantastic. So we're going to use all of this stuff and build a new Noah's room. Does that sound like fun?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, it does. Another moment passes by. A broken heart starts to cry, leaving me to question why. Eternity a dream away, and the pain of yesterday is all I can feel today. I can take comfort in all this that God knows. I can take comfort in all this that God knows. Oh, when I'm tempted to despair and there is no one left here, I can take comfort in even this. But by the ones called family, pain comes so easily, questioning my sanity. And the one your heart loves most is the one that won't come close, and it hurts just to feel. I can take comfort in all this that God knows. I can take comfort in all this that God knows. Look at that. Oh, when I'm tempted to despair and there is no one left here, I can take comfort in even this. Oh, this is a super cool train, isn't it? Uh-oh. And the sadness of the heart is what is tearing me apart. For this momentary pain, it clouds my thinking once again. And the sadness of the heart is what is tearing me apart. For this momentary pain, it clouds my thinking once again. I can't take sadness of the heart, that is what is tearing me apart. I can't take momentary pain, that clouds my thinking once again.
I want the mountain and the movie. Stop.
Okay, we're just going to mount it back. I think it's going to get stuck again. What's going to happen? Oh, you made it through!
Yeah! The Nemo watched it. Go, choo choo.
Okay, is it going to ring the bell?
It's gonna ruin.
Yeah, it rang the bell.
No.
Oh, he got stuck by the Nemo fish. Good rescuing work, Noah. Oh no, there's something on the line. What's going to happen? Is it going to crash? No, Noah rescued it just in time.
Oh,
Leaving me to question why
I need
eternity a dream away, and the pain of yesterday is all I can feel today. I can take comfort in all this that God knows.
That's funny.
Comfort in all this that God knows. Oh, when I'm tempted to despair and there is no one left.
See what happens. See where it pushes.
No, I need to go high.
Behind. Oh. Oh no, mate. Oh. There we go. Right, we've got that on. Let's see what happens when it comes out the other side. Oh no, it crashed again. Doesn't like that corner, does it?
Back again.